Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 1st November, and the question is find mode in binary search tree. So we'll read this question first and we'll try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given the root of binary search tree with duplicates, return all the modes. Okay, so modes means the most frequently occurred element in it. Okay, so for this BST 1 comma 2 comma 2, you can see that the frequency of this node is 1, frequency of this node 2 is nothing but 2, it is occurring twice. Okay, so we will have to return the value of most frequent node. So most frequent node is nothing but 2, so we will just return 2. And they have told that if the tree has more than one mode, we can return them in any order. So let us have a look how we can solve this question. So basically what we will do, we will just store the frequency of all the nodes in form of in an unordered map, and after that what we will do, we will just maximize the frequency and we will just store the value of all those nodes which is having that maximum frequency in a vector. Okay, so let us try to code this question. So we will have an ordered map here. So unordered map of integer and integer which will store frequency. So it will store frequency of all nodes. Okay, so for this we will have a traverse function here. Okay, void function traverse, which will have parameter tree node root and this unordered map. So unordered map of integer and integer and frequency. Okay, so if the root is equal to null, we will just return this function. Okay, and otherwise what we'll do, we will just traverse towards the left subtree. So traverse root arrow left comma frequency, and otherwise we will for the current one we will store the frequency. Okay, so frequency of root arrow value will be increased by 1, and otherwise we will traverse root arrow right comma frequency. So in this way we will store the frequency corresponding to all the nodes, and after that what we have to do, we have to maximize the frequency. So it is maxi is nothing but it is maximum frequency. So for this what we will do, we will just iterate over this frequency map and we have to maximize the value of maxi. So maxi will be nothing but maximum of maxi comma ele dot second, and we will take a vector of integer res. So it will store the value of those nodes which is having frequency as 1, frequency equal to maxi. So we will iterate over this map again. So for auto ele of frequency, so if ele dot second is equal to maxi, what we will do, we will just store ele dot first in this vector. Okay, and before we do anything, we have to first traverse here. Okay, so we have to run the function traverse. Okay, root comma frequency, and yeah, and after that we have to write all these things, and finally what we have to do, we have to return the res. Okay, so let us see whether the code works or not. So yeah, the code is working. So let us see for main cases. So yeah, you can see that all the cases are passing. So I will again try to explain this code. So basically this is our BST. So what we have done, we have to first store the frequency. So we have used unordered map here. Okay, so we have used this unordered map to store all the frequency, and after that what we have to do, we have to traverse over this BST. So for this I have written this function void function which will traverse towards the through this BST, and after that what we have to do, we have to take the maximum frequency. Okay, and again we will iterate over this map again. So we have to store the node once. Okay, we have to store this value once. We have to not, we don't want to store this value more than once. Okay, so that's why we have iterated over this frequency map again. And if the ele dot second is equal to maxi, we will just store the ele dot first in res, and otherwise we will do nothing. And finally we have written the res. Okay, so in this way we have solved this question. I hope you understood my solution, and if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or you want to share any another approach for this question, you can write in comment section. And if you like this video, you can if this video was helpful, you can like this video. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.